right, WMC, this is the video to find our two mini winners for the Giannis 16x20 photo. So we'll check the time, June 18th at 2:09 p.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. We've got June 18th at 2:09 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top two will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. All right, 10 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is JJ and Joe. So JJ, you get your pick of 2, and then Joe, you'll get the remaining main spot. There is our verification code. Our timestamp once again, June 18th, 2:10 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.